Hey, what's going on, guys? Back here with another video. Just like the last one I posted, this is a fuel related video. I'm going to be explaining how to remove the fuel pump assembly from this Yamaha FX SVHO. So right here in front of me, you got the tools that you'll be needing for this particular job. Not much here. You're going to have this thing right here on the left, just a pick or just a small screwdriver. You're going to be needing this to remove the clips from the fuel line. This screwdriver set just to remove the engine cover, to be able to get in there and work a little bit easier. And then just a 10mm deep socket and socket wrench. If you have an electrical socket, it makes it way easier and a lot faster to get this job done. But for this particular case, I did not have one of those, so I'm having to use this 10mm deep socket here. So now moving over to the ski, before you get started, you want to make sure you relieve the fuel pressure from the fuel tank. So just pop that gas cap open, let the fuel pressure relieve itself, and then you can screw that back on, and then you can get started. First thing, obviously remove this engine cover so you can get access inside here to the fuel tank a little bit easier. And once you've done that, I'm gonna jump in here so you can get a good closer look of what the top of the fuel tank looks like. So there's going to be 8, I believe, nuts that's going to be holding that ring around the fuel pump assembly on. You're going to need to remove all 8 of those, and then you're going to make sure you don't drop those in the hole because they'll be really hard to find. And then you're going to take your little pick or your small screwdriver to pop that green clip up to remove the fuel line from the fuel pump assembly. And then those 2 electrical connections on top there, they're just pinch tabs, so if you just pinch those at the top and then wiggle, you can remove those pretty easily as well. Once you remove everything, the fuel pump assembly will sort of pop up a little bit, but when you're removing it from the fuel tank, it's going to likely hit the top of the hole, so you are going to have to finagle and wiggle that thing around a little bit. I think when I removed this one, I pulled it to the left before being able to pull it back out from towards the engine. So if you wiggle it, pull it out to the left, and then you're able to pull it out towards the engine and don't have to go towards the front of the ski. That way you can pull it out and actually work with it. For this particular ski, the fuel pressure was low, so I knew the fuel pump needed to be replaced, but instead of taking the actual fuel assembly apart, I just replaced it with a whole new assembly. That's much easier than having to take the entire assembly apart, which is a much more complicated process. So that explains how to remove the fuel pump assembly from these Yamaha FX SVHO engines. So if you have any questions, just please drop them down below. Thank you guys for watching as always.